So, how do you identify ratios and how do you read said ratios? So, ratios are very simple. It's just a comparison between two numbers, and the order that the question asks you tells you the order that you should put the numbers. So, let's go over a few examples so you can make this clear. So, the table shows how many of each type of fruit are in a fruit bowl. So, you have 8 bananas, 5 oranges, and 3 apples. What is the ratio of oranges to bananas? The big thing is that the question tells you the order. So oranges come first, and then bananas come second. So oranges are 5 and bananas are 8. So the ratio should be 5 to 8. Junseo notices that there are 13 right-handed players on his baseball team and 2 left-handed players. What is the ratio of right-handed players to left-handed players? And again, the question always tells you the order. So right-handed is 13 and left-handed is 2. So it would be 13 to 2. Not 2 to 13. It must be in the order of the question, 13 to 2. Another table here shows how many of each type of movie are being shown at a theater. There are 2 for thriller, 5 for action, 4 for drama, and 3 for comedy. What is the ratio of action movies to drama? So action movies comes first, and there are 5 of them. Drama movies come next. There are 4 of them. So the ratio will be 5 to 4. Leon is helping his baby sister Daphne eat her dinner. There are 12 peas left in Daphne's bowl and 7 peas squished in her hair. What is the ratio of peas in Daphne's bowl to peas in her hair? Again, peas in Daphne's bowl. There are 12 peas in her bowl, and there are 7 in her hair. So it should be 12 first and 7 second. So 12 for every 7. It's another table. Number of students who play each instrument in the marching band. 15 trumpets, 7 saxophones, 11 flutes, and 4 drums. What is the ratio of students who play trumpets to students who play flute? So, again, and if you notice, I'm adding the information to the question. So how many students play trumpet? The students who play flute, trumpet is 15 and flute is 11. So it should be 15 to 11. Quinn has a large family. She has 4 cousins who live in Texas, 3 cousins who live in Nebraska, and 9 cousins who live in Michigan. What is the ratio of Quinn's cousins who live in Texas to her cousins who live in Michigan? So, how many cousins live in Texas? Go back to the question. There are 4 cousins who live in Texas. And in Michigan, there are 9 cousins who live in Michigan. So it should be 4 to 9 based on the order of the question. This should be the last one. The table shows the number of students who ate different foods for lunch. 6 mac and cheese, 7 burgers, 13 pizzas, and 4 salads. What is the ratio of students who ate pizza to students who ate mac and cheese? So pizza was 13. Mac and cheese was 6. So it will be 13 to 6 because the question says in order 13 to 6. So 6 to 13 would be wrong because it's not in the correct order. 13 to 6. So it's really that simple. The big thing about ratios is that the question always tells you the order. You can't just pick the numbers because they're both there. You have to pick them in the order that the question asks you for it. So that's it. Hope it helps. Let's get it done.